Welcome to another episode of Jumping in the Pot. I'm your host, Marsha, and today this is what's jumping in my pot, tiramisu. Let's get to the ingredients. Dutch processed cocoa, pure vanilla extract, granulated sugar, espresso, whole milk, egg yolks, cognac, semi-sweet chocolate, the lady fingers, and mascarpone cheese. These are the ingredients we will be using. I have a sauce pot here, and I have about 1/3 cup of water in it because the bowl should not touch the water. That's why I have this bracket over the top. And I have the heat turned to medium low. Now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take a whisk and we're going to put the eggs in the bowl. We are making the custard right now for the tiramisu. And we're going to add the sugar. And we're going to take the whisk and continuously whisk it up until the sugar melts. We're going to keep whisking this until everything comes together. Then we slowly add the milk in. Yes, I think it's time now to put the milk in. Now we're going to add the milk and cook the custard until it comes foamy. And then we set it aside into an ice bath of cold water. Well, I think it has formed up enough. And now this is what we're going to do. I have a bowl here with cold ice water. And I'm going to turn this off and put the bowl in the ice water bath. And we're going to whisk here for about 1 minute. Now, what I'm going to do is take the bowl out of the cold water. We get a rubber spatula, and then we fold in the mascarpone cheese. First, let's add a little vanilla extract. Get a spoon to make sure I've gotten every little bit out of the container. You mix all of this together. Now I think we done mix it enough with the spatula. Now we take the whisk and whip everything together. Don't over whisk it because it'll get grainy. Maybe about until it gets smooth, till everything comes together. Then we put it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour and let it cool totally. Okay, now this is what we're going to do. I'm going to cover it and put it in the refrigerator and let it set for about an hour. Then we will come back and make the next process. Well, while the custard is in the refrigerator chilling, I have one more ingredient to add to it. Heavy cream. And I have a bowl here and I'm going to add the heavy cream to it. And I have a hand mixer that I'm going to whip the cream with. We're going to mix it till it makes a stiff peak. There you have it, whipped cream. Now I've taken the custard out of the refrigerator and we're going to add the whipped cream and the custard together. We're going to fold these two things together. Let's add a little bit more of the custard. Okay, we fold this together. You see? Now we're going to mix the cognac and the espresso. We take the lady fingers, we just coat it. We don't want to leave it in too long because it sogs it up. We just dip it and turn it on each side. Now we add the custard. We're going to smooth this layer out. Then we repeat the process. We dip it in the espresso and the cognac. Then we layer it up again. Then we do the process again until it comes to the top. Then we finish it off with the custard on top. Well, now it's time to add the cocoa. Okay, now we're going to put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. See you in 2 hours. I've taken the tiramisu out of the refrigerator and I've shaved up some chocolate. You use a vegetable peeler to shave the chocolate up with. And you take it and you sprinkle it on top. That's what you do right there. A little more shaving so that there you have it. Tiramisu. Enjoy. If you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, share, and comment. And also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. And I will see you soon with another video. Bye.